Hello again everyone and welcome back to the Weather Centre. From the synoptic analysis, we see mostly clear weather expected for today over South Africa, and in the west there's a low pressure system moving down the coastline. That's going to help to draw down air from the interior. Once again, berg winds returning to some parts of the Western Cape, and that's going to help to warm things up under clear skies for that province. The rest of the country will also be clear, although moisture is still going to be moving in the far northern corner of the country, keeping things slightly cooler onto the high veld areas, including in Gauteng. And along with that, it will be a partly cloudy day into the low veld, although that area will remain quite warm. And as we take a look at the rainfall probability map, we see it's going to be almost rain-free across the country today, although there is still a very small possibility for a couple of light showers on the extreme northern coastline of KwaZulu-Natal. That doesn't even include Richards Bay, and that will also be clearing as the day goes on. A quick look at temperatures, and things remain unchanged for the northwest. Mahikeng gets to 20, while in Gauteng it will be a little bit cooler, 19 as a maximum for Johannesburg. The same daytime high has been forecast for both Vryheid and Ladysmith in KwaZulu-Natal, while Queenstown and Grahamstown in the Eastern Cape warm slightly to a high of 20 today. Light to moderate winds along the eastern coastline, 10 kilometers per hour for Durban and Richards Bay. A 1 meter swell comes in from the southeast for KwaZulu-Natal, and you can expect low tide in Durban at 12 minutes past 4 this afternoon. Warmer today all across the southern interior of the country. Robertson and Oudtshoorn both getting to a high of 25, and it's also going to be a very pleasant day all across the south coast with temperatures in the lower 20s. Easterly to northeasterly winds, which will be light for the Garden Route, and a 2 meter swell has been forecast for this area. For the Northern Cape, not much changing in the province. Springbok as well as Prieska get to 23 degrees, and it will be cooler once again for Sutherland with a high of 17. The berg winds also continue for Alexander Bay with a high of 31 degrees, but later on in the day we are going to see a westerly wind returning to that area. Northerly to northwesterly winds this afternoon for Cape Town and Langebaan. It's going to be warm across those areas as well, 24 degrees as your maximum. A quick look ahead to tomorrow, and it's going to be a dry Thursday with sunshine across almost all of South Africa, but an approaching cold front will start pushing in some cloud cover for Cape Town, and there is a possibility for some evening rainfall. That's all from the Weather Centre. Have a lovely Wednesday.